So what are we trying to do? We're trying to minimize certain things and then maximize other things. Well, what makes this difficult? Well, what makes this difficult is when we have an expert, people try one of two ways to utilize the expertise of the expert. First way, collaboration. Second way, convince everybody to listen to the expert. I can propose that neither of these two will be successful. And why is this? Because we have some chickens out there that can't see. And when the chickens can't see, they make it seem like they're like everybody else and that they want to actually improve this system. But in actuality, they have no expertise. So what's going to happen? They're going to stop change. They're going to stop making things efficient. Why? If you have watched these people who do not have expertise, they're paralyzed when experts come around. Well, how do we fix this? We have to create an environment where the experts can fly. What we do, we minimize the need for having non-expert stakeholders there. And then we ensure that these experts, through simple natural laws and identification and utilization of their expertise, we make sure that they are experts or have an expert system which will help them perform like experts. And we've seen this for years. We just didn't have the technology to know that this natural world of ours has experts that you just cannot educate animals or people to become experts. There's no way to teach this. Sorry to say this, but there's no way to teach this. It is innate. It is born with the experts. It's something that just comes with them. Amazing. Now, everything plays into making this work. Basically, the first thing is, because this is a scary approach to doing project management, the first thing is we have to identify who is needed. And the first secret is we need the client's, quote, professionals. We need vendors who are experts, and we need to use the information system. And the only reason this works is because one person utilizing this approach can do the work of 10. That is the only way this works. So now the only way to apply these concepts is if we have a visionary and the visionary volunteers to run a test. We run the test to see if it actually works. Once we find out it actually works, do we go back and tell everybody about it? The answer is no. We have the organization utilize these people who are already thinking like this to do more projects, to document it. The time will come when the results that are produced will be required for the survival of the organization. The time will come. But everybody's too anxious and they want to, quote, proliferate this idea. It can't be. Has run slowly, deliberately by people who already think like this, because we have confirmed this. You can't teach people to think like this. They already have to see it. And what are we going to do? The representatives on the client side, we're going to have them do quality assurance. They don't have to know anything technical. All they have to know is that the vendor, who is the expert, has laid out what they're going to do, their scope, their schedule, their cost, and their risk mitigation. And that all the representatives of the client have to do is make sure that the vendor's utilizing this approach. That's it. Yes or no? Are they doing it or they're not? That's it. They no longer have to know anything technical. The expert then has to prove that they're an expert through this approach by pre-planning, risk mitigation, simplification, creating transparency.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have any questions about the best value approach or for Dr. Dean, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get to them in a later video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.